Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain Flutter in VS Code. First, download and install Visual Studio Code from its official website. Next, acquire the Flutter Software Development Kit, or SDK, and extract it to a convenient location on your system. Open Visual Studio Code and navigate to the Extensions view. Search for and install both the Flutter and Dart extensions. Finally, ensure your Flutter SDK path is correctly configured in your system's environment variables for seamless operation. Visual Studio Code offers powerful tools for Flutter development. Experience the incredible speed of hot reload, allowing you to see UI changes almost instantly without restarting your application. Debug your code with precision by setting breakpoints and stepping through execution. Benefit from intelligent code completion and vibrant syntax highlighting, which significantly boost your coding efficiency. Plus, the integrated terminal provides direct access to all your command-line Flutter operations. To further enhance your productivity, Visual Studio Code provides several advanced features. Use the widget inspector to visually debug your user interface layout and identify issues quickly. Take advantage of built-in code snippets and robust refactoring tools to write cleaner, more maintainable code. Seamlessly integrate with Git for version control directly within the editor. Additionally, explore the vast marketplace of extensions to customize your environment and add specialized functionalities. Choosing Visual Studio Code for Flutter development offers numerous advantages. It's a lightweight and incredibly customizable editor, allowing you to tailor it precisely to your workflow. You gain access to a vast ecosystem of extensions that can further enhance your development experience. The integration with Flutter's development workflow is seamless, providing a smooth and efficient coding journey. Ultimately, you can optimize your development with its powerful debugging and profiling capabilities.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.